Everybody's looking for the secret to unstoppable motivation. Well, guess what? Science has the answers. First up, intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, like a passion or personal goal. Think of it as the gears turning inside your brain, driving you forward. Extrinsic motivation, add up. That's all about external rewards, things like money, praise, or trophies. Picture a rocket launching, fueled by those outside forces. But how do you keep that fire burning? Enter dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. When you achieve something, your brain releases dopamine, making you feel fantastic and ready for more. And here's the kicker: having a purpose. Knowing your why can supercharge your motivation. It's like having a GPS for your goals, guiding you through ups and downs. So how to stay motivated? Mix intrinsic joy with extrinsic rewards, keep that dopamine flowing, and always remember your why. Now go out there and make it happen. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to level up your life.